welcome you, primary 6 members, to this lesson. My name is Mwesi Jackson. This one is operation on fractions. In operation, we shall start with addition and subtraction of fractions with the different denominators. In the previous classes, I hope, we saw how to subtract fractions of the same denominators. By this time around, let us see what if it is a different denominator. Take an example. They are telling us to work out 2 out of 5 plus a quarter. This one is 5, then this one is 4. So these ones are different denominators. 1, you need to look for the LCM of the denominators. And the LCM of these two, it is the LCM of 4 and 5. It is 20. You can use any method of getting the LCM, whether you are listing the multiples, or you can use the ladder method to come up with the LCM. After getting the LCM, what do? You come and say 2 out of 5 multiplied by the LCM, which is 20, then plus a quarter, still multiplied by 20. Then out of, the whole thing is out of 20. So you start dividing, say 5 divided by 5 is 1, then 20 by 5, that is 4. By 4, 1, 20 divided by 4, it is a 5. So when we proceed in the next step, we have 2 times 4, 2 times 4, then plus 1 times 5, 1 times 5. Out of the LCM, which is 20. So 2 times 4 gives us 8, then plus 1 times 5, that is 5 out of 20. So 8 plus 5, we finally get 13 out of 20. So that's how it works when you are adding fractions of different denominators. Let us see if it is subtraction. Still we do the same thing. It is all about getting the lowest common multiple of 4 and 3. So the lowest common multiple of 4 and 3, you can list multiples of 4 and then the multiples of 3. You look for the lowest, the multiple which is common, but the one that is lowest. And the lowest common multiple is 12. So after getting 12, come and say 3 out of 4 multiplied by 12. Then minus a third times 12 out of 12. So we shall come and say by 4 is 1. 12 divided by 4, that is 3. By 3 is 1. 12 divided by 3, that is 4. So in this case here we have 3 times 3. That is 9 minus 1 times 4, that is 4, out of 12. And finally, the answer is 5 out of 12. Okay. When you look at part C, these ones, still it is all about addition, but here we are adding fractions, mixed fractions. Okay. Let us have this example slightly down. 5 out of 6 minus 1 out of 4. So, this one we shall first change it. Since it is a mixed fraction, change it to an improper fraction. That is, say, 3 times 2, that is 6 plus 1, 7 out of 3. Then plus 2 times 4, 8 plus 1, 9 out of 2. Still, when you look at these ones, they have different denominators. So you need to first get the LCM of the two. LCM of 3 and 2, the LCM of 3 and 2, it is 6. When you list multiples and look for the lowest common multiple of the two. the lowest common multiple is 6. After getting 6, come and say 7 out of 3 multiplied by 6 plus 9 out of 2 times 6 divided by the LCM. So, this is by 3 shall have 1, by 3 shall have 2, by 2 shall have 1, by 2 shall have 3. So 7 times 2, that is 14, plus 9 times 3, that is 27 out of 6. 27 plus 14 plus 27. What do we have? 27 here, have 1. Then here we are coming up with 41. So it will be 41 out of 6. This one we are always advised that in case the fraction is improper, we need to change it to a mixed fraction. When you get a fraction which is improper, finally the answer should be a mixed fraction. So here you can change it to a mixed fraction, that is 41 divided by 6. You can first list the multiples of 6, that the first one is 6, then plus 6, you get 12 plus 6, that is 18 plus 6. You will come up with the 24, still plus 6, that is 30, plus 6, 36, plus 6, that is 42. So when you get 41 divided by 6, you find that 41 is not there. So we shall take 36 as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we shall just take 36 appearing on the 60th time. We shall have 6 here, then 6 times 60. That is 36. When you subtract 41 minus 36, the balance is 5. So when you are writing it as a mixed fraction, you begin with 6 as a whole number, then 5 out of 6. So this is how we deal with the fractions when they are mixed. Thank you. Thank you for attending the lesson.